What's up, guys? Welcome back. Vegeta's, I think it's Final Flash. I've seen it called different things. I think this is Final Flash anyway. But it's one of those blast moves that he uses. So let's try and draw this landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. He's looking down and to the right. So we'll start his eyebrow here. So we'll just do a curve line. And then the check mark for the eyebrow goes up. And then it sort of spikes down, curves down. You want to square it off at the end and then bring it back down towards the front. Like so. And his eyes in here, so we get like the long line. Then the short line, and then we curve them together. And then he's looking down and to the right, so it's like his iris is here. And I think in this image it's base form, but you could do it Super Saiyan, so I'll leave whatever. You could color green eyes or black eyes. I'll let you decide what way to do that. I might do base form. That's what's in the image. So frown just there, and then of course in the middle we have these bumps that they have on their noses. And then his other eyebrow just comes out from the back of that. Kind of goes around the back of his head. And then like there's another sort of frown line there. So sometimes when they draw the eyebrow around this corner of his head here, it's round and sometimes it's spiky. So you could make it spiky if you wanted there, but it's kind of round in the picture. And then the small eye line, and then the long. So this eye is smaller because it's turned away from us, so it's much thinner. It's about half the size of the other one, really. And then he's looking down to the right, so you just do his iris again. And then his nose. Coming out this way. Comes down. And in. And then they draw the underneath. And I think there is like some like little wrinkles just coming across the top of the nose there. They also have those cheek lines that are on his face. And then some over this side as well. And then big open mouth. So right near the nose, curves down like that. And then the long side, down there. And then on the inside. And the bottom lip curves around this way. In there then we have his teeth, so top teeth. And you can see the molars in the back. And then his tongue. Bottom lip, just they do some like hatching, just like some little shadow there. And then his chin. So we'll go for his jaw. There. Line with his tongue, it'll go like up here. And then because we're in 3/4 pose, we can see his cheek on this side, not a jaw. So it goes out, back in, right up to the eyebrow then. So back over here, then we have the bottom of his ear. And it just curves up and down. And then his sideburn. Ear lines inside. Curve around. Like so. And then his hairline. So he's got like big bits on the side, right, that go up and around. Right down to the middle. And then it spikes back up. And then the other side comes down. Like that. Little line there. Sometimes there's like lines on the end of his eyebrow and his sideburn as well. So then Vegeta's hair, so just these long spikes. The longest one sort of in the middle. They always get smaller as we go down. Excuse me, need a drink, sorry. Dry throat. Now, so he's looking this way, but his body is kind of like behind because the arm is throwing the blast this way, right? So his neck comes out here. You can't really see the front of it, but we can see like a neck muscle and like maybe his Adam's apple there. It's all being pulled and stretched, and he's got that blue collar coming across. And then we can see his chest muscles. So like this muscle on your neck always goes to the center of your chest. Just if you're wondering, how did I know where the chest was? So right there. And then this comes up and over for his armor, that Saiyan armor. Does he get this made? You know, because like Saiyans are gone, so he must get it made. Comes down here. Comes around his chest, kind of bumps. And then it goes around his belly part and then another little bump there. So like this armor has like lots of designs and patterns on it. There's a bit of his chest here. So there's a gap, and then his back. So like chest and arm and stuff. And then we have patterns on the inside. Like this. Like chest plates. Over his pectoral muscles. And then these lines, I think, just continue around. Just follow the sort of shape again. Oh, that one goes underneath his arm there, actually. And then these lines around his belly, around his back. Here. Like so. Right, so arms. So we'll go, oh wait, straps first. So straps on his shoulders. One there. And like this bit of his neck again, and then a strap. So then this goes that way, curving. Bit of an edge line on it. And then we get some of these cross lines. All right, and then, so big hand here. So, well, we can see shoulder, like a bit of his shoulder, right? And then his bicep. And like the bottom of his shoulder. So that first, and then the bicep here. And this all sort of disappears down like behind his hand. So he's got like a big hand here. And you've deltoid muscles, so like your shoulder has like 3 sort of separate muscles inside it. They all kind of go that way. And before I do the hands, I'll just do the other shoulder. So big curve line here, around the bicep again, and then a deltoid or 2. Kind of reminds me of a basketball, that shape. And then a big square bicep here. And then his tricep. And then we get his forearm, which again disappears into his white glove. So, got to do hands. So hands are always tricky, take your time. Hit that pause button if I go too fast. But we'll start with the big one, because it's just kind of easier to see. So his thumb, curving, and then around. And then this one goes down that way, then around here. And then the thumb always comes to the bottom of the hand, so it's connected to the base of your hand. This sort of double bump, or a double U shape, kind of. And then he's doing like 2 fingers up, so we can see 2 down, right? So 2 down at the back. Like that. Then we go down, curve in, and then down and curve in. And there's knuckle lines here because they're folded over. 2 fingers sticking up, so 1 here. You change direction at the knuckles. Curves across for the tip of the finger. Then goes around and in. And then another one sticking out here. Down and in. Just connect it to the thumb. Okay, and then his glove, so we have some folds on it, and it comes down this way. And then we can just see like his elbow sticking out here. So his other arm pointing back, like throwing the blast. We can see the glove just on top of his forearm. some folds on the end. And then all we can see like is this palm of his hand bump. So double bump. And then the thumb sticks up. And then his index finger, I think, is all we can see, just here. Like that. So then this blast, this sort of energy thing, is just like a big spiky kind of ball. You could draw a circle and then do spikes out from it, or you could do this kind of spiky thing going around in a circular pattern. It is up to you. There's like little clouds inside as well. And then there's like shoots of energy like coming all off this way. And that's it. Vegeta, I think it's Final Flash, or it could just be one of his generic sort of blasts that he throws. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.